Welcome back. Now we are now inside of ThriveCart, but the steps that we are about to take, you should be able to take within any affiliate network that you are operating in. What we're going to do first is go to the affiliates area. What we're then going to do is we're going to go to this area that says rules. And basically what you're going to see here is it says that when an affiliate signs up for any of our products, we want to use an integration with a specific autoresponder to add them to a specific list. Now, regardless of which network you use, there's going to be an integration process. You're going to need to integrate your email service provider or autoresponder to the platform where you're using. So you're going to want to first find that integration process. If you were to use ThriveCart, there is a specific integration process for autoresponders, in particular, the one that we just demonstrated, which is MailChimp. As you can see, we've gone through that process with MailChimp and ThriveCart. That means then that ThriveCart has access to the list that we have created for our affiliates. So that means we can change this integration to MailChimp. And when we ask ThriveCart to add them to a specific list, and we use this drop-down menu, we should see the list that we created. And we're going to add them to the list. And here's the list that we have inside of MailChimp. And so basically, the way this works in ThriveCart, we're going to add this rule to our affiliate system. If we were to use the Warrior Plus network, you're going to notice that we have our affiliate program. And basically, what we can do is we can connect our autoresponder, which again has already been integrated into our Warrior Plus account. And you'll see here that when we make the MailChimp connection, we'll be able to see the list where we can add affiliates to in order to keep in touch with them. So what you'll want to do first is to find the autoresponder integration information. And then once you do that, you'll then want to set it up so that the individual product that you are selling, when an affiliate comes to promote that product, you want to have that individual added to a specific list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, it's possible that the affiliate network that you're working on does not automate the addition of individuals to your autoresponder when they sign up for your affiliate link. One thing you can do is you can make it so that they can stay in touch with you by signing up manually to your list. And so basically what you're going to do is use your favorite page builder. You're going to set up an area where individuals can then opt into your individual list. And so in this case, we're going to add in an opt-in form. And we are now using an old version of the WordPress page builder called OptimizePress. And OptimizePress has an integration for MailChimp. And so we're going to add in the MailChimp integration. We're going to determine the list that we want people to be added to. We're then going to click Insert. And basically what we've done here is we've made it so that individuals that are not automated and getting updates to our launches, we will want to invite them manually on the page where all of our other JV information is. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Depending on where your affiliates hang out online and where you'll want to communicate with them most, you can create a social media group in order to communicate with willing affiliates that want to be part of that social media group. You'll first want to invite individuals that are on that social network to the group. And you'll want to post information about your launches so that individuals will be able to keep up with what it is that you are doing. Now, within the social media group that you choose to operate in, you may want to make sure that you're going to be available to answer questions of affiliates wanting to promote your product. Now, again, much depends on where your affiliates hang out the most. What you can do is you can also create social media groups that are business related on the social networking site LinkedIn. Groups are free to create, and you can create multiple groups on the platform. You'll want to make sure to give your group a name and then a description. You'll need to determine what the industry is. You need to write in the group rules. And then, of course, you'll want to make sure that your group is going to be discoverable. And basically, what we have is another way of being able to keep in touch with affiliates. Now, once again, you'll want to be aware of how many affiliates are actually promoting as a result of you building your group, and whether this justifies the amount of time that you'll need to put in order to be in the group and answer questions of the individuals that will be asking them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, there are features that belong to certain affiliate networks that are not part of every affiliate network One in particular is going to be that you can set up an individual contest for your affiliates for a specific launch. You are now looking at the Warrior Plus network, and you want to find out if your affiliate network allows you to create a contest for affiliates to be able to see how they're doing versus other affiliates in real time. Now, we can make the contest competitive in Warrior Plus for all of the products in the funnel, or we can make it for specific products. We're going to give the contest a name. We're going to determine how individuals are going to be ranked in the contest. You can choose total revenue, you can choose total number of sales, or you can choose total number of individual buyers. You are going to set a start date and end date for the contest. What you're going to do is to determine how many total individuals can be winners in the contest. And you'll then determine how many individuals you want to display as being competitive. You can choose to make it so that the contest is going to be public and available on the Warrior Plus network, or you can choose to keep it private and only make it available to the individuals that you want to see it. Now, in some cases, there is a practice where individuals will team up and they will use their joint results to compete for the contest. You can make it so that affiliate teams are not going to be available, or you can make it so that they can compete together. So again, this is going to be a feature that you're going to want to find inside of your affiliate network if indeed there is one. For example, for the search JV Contest and ThriveCart, there are no results available, which means that ThriveCart does not have the capacity in order for you to administer a contest. And however you choose to set the parameters for the contest, it's a good idea to place that information on your JV marketing page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. We are now inside of MailChimp.com. And regardless of which autoresponder you're using or email service provider, you want to be able to send broadcast emails. Broadcast emails are sent whenever you want to send them, and they'll typically go to everyone on your entire list. Now, inside of MailChimp, we will just go to design a specific email. Now, we're going to give the email a specific title. Now, because you're sending this email to your affiliates, you may want to start the process by making sure that your email is going to be identifiable to those who are going to receive it. You can choose to personalize the to field. And for example, what you want to do is you want to use the affiliate's first name and you're collecting that information. You can do that. You can choose to edit this from dialog box. You can use your company name or your brand in this case. What we're going to do here is write in a recognizable subject. In some cases, you have control over what the individual is going to see in the preview text area. And so what you can do is you can write in something that will represent the most important aspect to your message. And you are then ready to begin designing your actual email. Now, it is a good idea that you keep in touch with your affiliates even when you are in process of getting ready for a launch. This keeps you top of mind and gets your affiliates used to opening your emails. And what you are basically doing in the email is you are reminding affiliates that if they are looking for a specific product to promote within the market, you either have one available or you will have one available. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you will have an affiliate that will come late to promote your product. And depending on how late it is in the duration of your launch, you may want to communicate with them how much time is going to be left. And what you're going to do is to go to your favorite page builder, and you're then going to make sure to put in a countdown timer. Now again, we are using an older version of Optimized Press. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put in the countdown timer. We're first going to make sure that the background is what it should be. And once we do that, we're going to add in an element that is a countdown timer. Now, this may not be the case for every page builder that you are using. If you do not have one in your page builder, you can typically attain one either in add-ons to your page builder or that can be added through HTML code to your site. So we're going to choose the style of the timer, and then we're going to place the timer here on the actual page. And basically what we have done is we've made sure that when the affiliate comes to the particular page that we are communicating with them how much time is left for them to be able to promote. So we're going to add in a specific headline, and we're going to add this to the area with the countdown timer. And basically what we've done is we've made sure that the affiliates know exactly how much time is left and they know how much time is going to be at an actual glance. In some cases, this will incentivize affiliates to attempt one last promotion with their email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in some cases, you will have an affiliate that will come late to promote your product. And depending on how late it is in the duration of your launch, you may want to communicate with them how much time is going to be left. And what you're going to do is to go to your favorite page builder, and you're then going to make sure to put in a countdown timer. Now again, we are using an older version of Optimized Press. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put in the countdown timer. We're first going to make sure that the background is what it should be. And once we do that, we're going to add in an element that is a countdown timer. Now this may not be the case for every page builder that you are using. If you do not have one in your page builder, you can typically attain one either in add-ons to your page builder or that can be added through HTML code to your site. So we're going to choose the style of the timer, and then we're going to place the timer here on the actual page. And basically what we have done is we've made sure that when the affiliate comes to the particular page that we are communicating with them how much time is left for them to be able to promote. So we're going to add in a specific headline, and we're going to add this to the area with the countdown timer. And basically what we've done is we've made sure that the affiliates know exactly how much time is left and they know how much time is going to be at an actual glance. In some cases, this will incentivize affiliates to attempt one last promotion with their email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. In conclusion, you've seen a number of platforms and a number of features that you can use in order to administer your affiliate program. And if you don't want to use a WordPress website or a cloud-based service, you can use a platform like Amember, which allows you to self-host your product delivery as well as your affiliate program. And obviously, as of the recording of this video, there is a cost associated with Amember, but again, it is an alternative to you. If other alternatives do not fit in with your online business or the online portion of your business. So the important aspect of this entire process is to determine the features that you want, determine how you want to administer your affiliate program, and then choose the tools that best fit those parameters. Depending on how you want to customize your platform, you can typically combine elements from many of your existing services. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.